Hello everyone, Don with Resolute Outdoors here. Today we are dealing with this big pile of dirt we recently bought. Have some drainage work to do around the side of the house here, a little bit on the other side as well, and then some front garden beds. So I'll take you along today, kind of show you what we're doing. All right, so this is the front of the house here. There was a bush here when we bought the place, and then they recently ran a new sewer line into the home. So there's a low spot kind of all in here, and it's causing some water in our basement. So what we're planning on doing is filling this in with dirt, sloping it away from the house, and then putting a flower bed in here. So let's get started. All right, so on this side of the house, I'm intending to put some more dirt. This foundation doesn't need as much dirt on it, but I do want to plant some strawberries here. So I want to get a little bit more soil just so the roots can take hold a little bit better here. So also down here, have another little area on this side of the porch where I'm going to be doing some hydrangeas, and then I have this rain system here we just fixed up for a pipe that kind of drains into the yard here. So it's kind of what we're working with. This is the pond. Now I know the pond still needs cleaned out. It's pretty disgusting. We actually have some tadpoles living in there now, but got the dirt piled up around it. I am planning on growing some chamomile tea in here. I think it's gonna be nice for flowers. Will look nice around the pond, and it'll be a good resource for us as well. On this side here, I have this little bit of dirt here. Soil's pretty good over here, so didn't need to put too much here. But I'm gonna be planting strawberries on this side of the house. I know it's a little bit later in the year than I would like, but just kind of the way everything worked out with the dirt and getting time to get everything done. One other thing as well, I believe before I mentioned we're gonna put hydrangeas here. It's actually gonna put some clematises here on this side, and then on the opposite side, I'll show you where we'll put that as well. So this is that other side I was talking about. There's gonna be another clematis here. Planning as well on this side of the house. We have all this dirt piled up, probably to put some berry bushes, potentially some blackberries. So that's what we're gonna do here. Got the drainage system all put together, and some dirt piled up against the foundation, kind of help rectify some of those water issues. Do have a piece of gutter there. Have to do a little bit more gutter work, but for the most part, we're all there. Also as well, didn't get to this part, I'm gonna put it's like a galvanized hoop around here, so that I can stack the dirt up at an angle so we can get the water away from the house there as well. Just haven't got that in yet. Lastly here, have this area here, just piled some dirt up here. This is gonna have, I think I'm gonna have a blackberry bush here, and then maybe some flowers. I'm not really decided yet on this. It's more for drainage, but I'd like to make sure I can use this as a resource for fruits and things like that. All right guys, so it's a few days later. Just wanted to show you kind of the finished product. This is the front garden bed. We do have some blocks we're going to put around the edges here to finalize it and put flowers in once it's time for flowers. But this is the finalized bed. We put some angles from the back here to the front, kind of help with some drainage. We have had a pretty decent storm. We haven't got any rain in the basement since we've done this, so it's been a big help overall. The last thing we have is these two garden beds off the back porch. This one here, and say hi, Oscar. And this one here. So right here we have, that is a white raspberry bush. We are planning on putting another one of those. We have another one, we just haven't planted it yet, over here. So off our back porch, we'll have some raspberries. So one last thing here, Got the garden bed, got all that garbage out of there and everything tilled up. Got some more dirt in about this half. I am going to need a little bit more. I know I'm a little bit behind planting some of the carrots I wanted to get in here, but probably going to get to that today or then tomorrow, and we'll see what we can do. Our seed starts are doing well inside. Looking forward to transplanting those outdoors here in the next few weeks or so. So thanks for watching. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Till next time, guys, we'll see you.